Welcome to Review Lab. The best drivetrain joints is probably one of the most critical yet often overlooked components in your vehicle's performance, directly impacting power transfer, handling, and overall driving experience, making the right choice essential for anyone looking to optimize their car's capabilities, whether for daily driving, off-roading, or competitive racing, ensuring every bit of power from your engine reaches the wheels efficiently and reliably. Number 5. ANCEL AD310 Classic Enhanced Universal OBD2 Scanner. Is your check engine light on? This essential tool quickly determines the cause. After repairs, it easily reads and clears diagnostic trouble codes, helping you understand your vehicle's health. Equipped with a sturdy, flexible 2.5-foot cable, it's built to withstand drops. Its sleek, compact design and lightweight make it easy to transport. The clearly labeled buttons and large screen ensure easy readability. Yet exceptionally accurate and fast results, clearing engine trouble codes in seconds. You don't need car knowledge to use it, it powers directly from your vehicle's OBDII port, no batteries required. It supports all major OBDII protocols, ensuring broad compatibility. This device works with 1996 US-based, 2000 EU-based, and Asian cars, light trucks, and SUVs, both domestic and foreign. Lightweight and compact, it's perfect for home or travel. This portable, accurate, and fast tool is ideal for anyone needing to quickly check their car's status. It covers various car brands, making it a versatile choice. Please note, it primarily diagnoses emission-related issues and requires an OBDII interface. It cannot read engine fault codes unrelated to the emission system or work with OBDI interfaces. What we like. This scanner is highly recommended by experts and designed for ease of use. It quickly identifies and clears engine fault codes, making car maintenance simpler. If you're a home mechanic looking for a reliable, user-friendly tool to diagnose emission issues, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. GOOACC GRC 30 Car Retainer Kit with Fastener Remover. Introducing the GOOACC GRC 30 Car Retainer Kit, your ultimate solution for automotive fastening needs. This comprehensive set provides everything you need for secure and reliable repairs. It comes with 120 pieces in 4 essential hole sizes, 6.4 mm, 8 mm, 9 mm, and 10 mm. These ensure a perfect fit for various applications across many vehicle brands. Crafted from high-quality black nylon, these clips are built to last. They are anti-wear and anti-corrosion, ensuring they won't easily break or crack during use. These push clips are incredibly versatile, ideal for trim panels, bumpers, fenders, and engine covers. Their applications extend to domestic appliances, furniture, and electrical equipment too. Included in the package is a convenient fastener remover tool. This makes installation and replacement quick and hassle-free, saving you time and effort. With 120 bumper push rivet clips and a dedicated remover, this kit offers exceptional value. It's a universal fit, making it an indispensable addition to any toolkit. What we like. This comprehensive kit offers a wide range of sizes for various automotive needs. Made from durable nylon, these clips resist wear and corrosion, ensuring long-lasting repairs. If you often tackle small repairs or need a versatile set of replacement fasteners, this kit provides excellent value and utility. What people say. Number 3. Autel MS300 OBD2 Scanner. This plug-and-play scanner is perfect for car DIYers and beginners. It communicates with vehicles through a standard 16-pin OBD2 cable and is powered directly by your car. It quickly scans for diagnostic trouble codes to pinpoint emission-related issues. Getting diagnostic codes is the first step to smart repairs. This tool reads codes in seconds, helping you locate problem areas quickly. Once you've addressed the issue, you can clear the codes to restore normal operation. Is your check engine light constantly on? Often, it's due to a minor issue, but it can lead to expensive mechanic visits. With this scan tool, you can quickly identify why the light is on and reset it yourself. To pass your annual smog check, ensure your car's OBD2 readiness monitors are ready. This device retrieves IM readiness status, checking monitors like misfire and O2 sensors. It helps your vehicle be fully prepared for the inspection. This car code reader supports all major OBD2 protocols, making it compatible with 99% of OBDI-compliant vehicles. It comes with a 12-month warranty and free lifetime technical support. You can purchase it with complete peace of mind. What we like. Designed for beginners, this tool helps you quickly understand and clear engine codes, saving you money on diagnostics. It's perfect for turning off that annoying check engine light and ensuring your vehicle is ready for its annual smog check. If you're a car DIYer wanting to avoid costly mechanic visits and pass emissions tests with confidence, this is your go-to device. What people say. No reviews provided in the source JSON. Cannot extract points as the source is empty. Number 2. Spicer 5-153X U-Joint Kit 1310 Series, OSR. Discover the robust Spicer 5-153X U-Joint Kit, designed for reliable performance. This 1310 series component is engineered to meet your vehicle's demands. It features a greasable design, ensuring smooth operation and extended lifespan. Maintenance is made easy with this thoughtful addition. This kit utilizes an outside snap ring, OSR, style, providing a secure and straightforward installation. It's built for durability and ease of use. With a bearing cap diameter of 1.062 inches, it offers a precise fit. This ensures optimal function within your vehicle's drivetrain. The bearing cap to bearing cap measurement is 3.219 inches. These precise dimensions are crucial for compatibility and performance. Always confirm its compatibility with your specific vehicle year, make, and model. Use the Amazon Confirmed Fit tool to ensure a perfect match. What we like. This U-joint features a greasable design for extended life and easier maintenance. It's specifically built for the 1310 series, ensuring a precise fit and reliable performance. If you need a durable, maintainable U-joint for a standard application and value longevity, this component is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 1. MOOG 351A Premium Universal Joint. Introducing the MOOG 351A Premium Universal Joint. It's engineered for heavy-duty performance and reliability. This joint is compatible with various Ram and Dodge models. Always verify fitment by entering your vehicle's specific details before purchase. Its rugged design is specifically engineered for demanding applications. This ensures it stands up to the rigors of fleets, off-highway, and commercial vehicles. The bearing cups are cold-formed, case-hardened, and precision-ground. This meticulous process guarantees exceptional strength and long-lasting durability. Nitrile seals are incorporated to keep dirt out. They also ensure ideal grease retention, protecting it from under-vehicle debris. It features a greasable design with drilled and tapped holes for easy servicing. Large grease reservoirs and radial channels ensure optimal distribution. The cross trunnions are ground to a smooth finish, free of microscopic grooves. This precision engineering actively inhibits premature wear, extending its lifespan. What we like. Engineered with a rugged design, this premium U-joint is built for demanding conditions and heavy-duty vehicles. Its cold-formed, case-hardened bearing cups ensure exceptional strength and durability. If you operate a fleet, off-highway vehicle, or require a U-joint that can withstand extreme stress and provide superior longevity, this is the ideal solution. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. No reviews were provided in the source JSON to extract points from. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.